Today we're going to be changing out the light switch on our 1979 Chevy Corvette. The tools needed for this job are a pry tool or a large flathead screwdriver, 5/16 wrench for the battery, and a Phillips head screwdriver for the Phillips head screws that we're going to be taking out. The battery is located behind your driver's seat in this box right here, and we're just going to unclip the positive terminal. There we go. Take that and we'll wrap it around here, just like that. The next step is for us to take some screws out. There's one right here, and there's one right here, and there's one right here. That allows us to pull down the dash and get to the light switch. Pull your light switch out. And to get this out of the mechanism, we're going to pull this down here just a little bit. You can see right here, this is our light switch. And underneath the switch is a button that you have to push in order to get that stalk out. So let me push it real hard. And that takes it out, just like that. So now that we have that out, I'm going to unscrew this right in here, and because that keeps it attached to the mechanism, just unscrew this. If you have a big flathead screwdriver, you can use that also. And that's what it looks like, and then it keeps this plate on there. So we have everything there. Now, back here, there's two vacuum hoses on ours. It's loose now. So there's two vacuum hoses right here. I'm just going to unplug them. They're on the bottom. One and two. And then this is a clip. This whole clip goes in here. So I'm just going to get my hands, pry it off. There, it comes off just like that. And that's how you get your switch out. We will get a new switch and put it in there so our lights will work every time. When you're trying to get the stalk out, press this button underneath like that, hold it down, and then the stalk will come right out. But when it's in there, you have to feel for it. It's underneath it. Since we have vacuum, there are switches that don't have the vacuum hoses. Ours needs one, so it's right underneath on the front before the lip. We have our new switch. Gonna take out the box. We ordered this online. As you can see, it's got the vacuum hoses. Looks just like this switch, only not as burned up. All right, let's start with the vacuum hoses. Put that one on. Okay. Gonna line it up with the hole right there. All right. Now it's time to put the lever back in, and you do have to press the button on the bottom again. So let me find that. There we go. All right, before I button it all up, I'm going to turn the car on and give it a try. Looks like that did the trick for us. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.